the ingredients for the chocolate truffles. We are back. These are their ingredients: milk, cacao, chocolate, cream, eggs, powdered sugar, and butter. Melt the milk with the chocolate in a bowl. This is the result, and now we add butter and mix. Then we add 2 egg yolks. Now whip the cream. And now whip the powdered sugar. Now we put the dough in the fridge for 2 hours. See you later. After 2 hours, the dough is ready. Put the cocoa in a bowl. This is the procedure to do. Finally, this is the result. Goodbye!